starting off from?
Hey, shucks. It's that theme song.
Look across the street, y'all.
I know they. Somebody dared to drive?
Where?
Hippie, I take a picture right here.
Yeah. And if they hit somebody's
Look, Mom,
car,
somebody driving.
oh my goodness,
Look,
they ain't gonna make it.
somebody driving.
They couldn't make it. That's way too much snow. And they trying to drive down the
Oh
street.
my goodness, he's making it.
Well, show off. Well, at least he making a pass.
That's right. Make a pass, buddy, because it sounds
Maybe
like you
that's what
just
he's
got
trying to
stuck
do.
them up.
Maybe he's picking up folks. Oh, I think he's parking.
It look like he making a pass.
No, he's trying to make a pass.
Is he really?
Yeah. See him backing up and then going forward until he can get stuck. Now he's back. He's going to have to back up again. He didn't go back far enough.
Well, he doing it. Oh,
Yeah.
I gotta get this. Yeah, but don't start crying.
You didn't say yesterday because I'm sleepy.
Cry, baby.
Yeah, I know you thought better of that one.
But is he about to bag all the way back out?
Yeah.
Is that a lady? Of course not. Only a man would do such a thing. Is he coming back forward? Or he said, forget that. He bagging all the way back
He
out?
can't go forward, so he got to back up.
Mm.
It's a big pile right there.